Here at Memorial Medical Center, we really care about treating the patient as a whole. Instead of looking at the patient as a hip or as a knee, we look at how their hip or the knee affects their life. And we try to figure out how we can treat that, either non-surgically whenever possible or surgically to get them back to doing the things they want to do. I'm Joe Signorelli, orthopedic surgeon, and I've been doing joint replacement surgery for 7 years. I grew up in Duluth, Minnesota, and went to medical school at the University of Minnesota. I did surgical internship and residency at Dartmouth in New Hampshire, and a total joint fellowship in Boston at Harvard. I always liked to try to fix things that were broken. That was one of the things that got me into medicine. I've decided to specialize in what I do in joint replacement. So virtually everything I do has to do with replacement of the hip or knee. A lot of people don't realize how much pain they had and how much disability that led to and what limitations it led to in their daily life until after they're through the recovery process and back to doing the things they want to do. And that's when they're really most thankful for having the new joint and being able to get back to their activities. There are different philosophies on how to take care of things, and I'm the type of person that really likes to do the same thing over and over until I feel like I get it right. So joint replacement is a very common procedure. There are about 1 million joint replacements of the hip and knee done a year. And so it gives us an opportunity to really work and hone our skills at one particular field. So the ultimate goal for a patient to have a joint replacement is that once they're through the recovery process, they forget that they had a joint ailment in the first place. It's really important for a patient to be comfortable where they're receiving their care. And so if we can provide high quality care at an affordable cost in their home community, I think that's advantageous for the patient. I think they really appreciate it. So that was one of my reasons for pursuing this opportunity to operate at Memorial Medical Center.